So you've just been given a test copy of V-locity to have a play with. Let me show you how easy it is to download it, install it, get reports from it, and I'll go through a few best practice helpful techie tips, and also show you where you can get help with the software should you need it. Although it's pretty straightforward, but nevertheless I'll provide that for you. So let's start by firing up a virtual machine and getting the software downloaded. The easiest way to do this is to get it from your account at condusiv.com. So let's go ahead and do this. If you go to condusiv.com/account, that should take you straight there, and then you can log in with your email address and password. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here at the top is my test copy of the V-locity software. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this download link and agree to the terms and conditions, and then we'll save that in the downloads folder so that we can find it nice and easily. Here we go. There we go, that's coming down. Now what I'm also going to do is download this license file as well. So we'll save that into the same location. Good. And then we'll just monitor the downloads to see when everything finishes. Okay, I'll speed this bit up a bit so you're not sitting there watching a file download. Okay, so our test copy has downloaded, so we can go ahead and close Internet Explorer for now, and you'll see it's here in my downloads folder. So there's the installation media and there's the license file. So the next step is to go ahead and get it installed.